Welcome to Review Lab. The best figure model kits are probably one of the most exciting and rewarding hobbies for enthusiasts, offering a unique blend of creativity, patience, and the satisfaction of bringing a detailed character to life with your own hands, making them a fantastic way to express your passion for anime, manga, and gaming. Number 5. LEGO Ideas NASA Apollo Saturn 592176 Rocket. Experience the thrill of the mission that sent humans to the moon. This meter-high model captures the iconic Saturn V rocket in stunning detail. Explore its 3 removable rocket stages, the command and service module, and the lunar lander. It even comes with minifigures for added adventure. Once built, proudly display your spacecraft horizontally using the included stands. The lunar lander and orbiter add dynamic possibilities to your display. Journey through space adventures inspired by the actual manned Apollo moon missions. Learn about the history and the fan designers behind this incredible set. Standing over 39 inches tall, this impressive model features 1,969 pieces. It's the perfect challenge for builders aged 14 and up, both kids and adults. What we like. This impressive model rocket brings the moon landing to life. It features multiple removable stages and display stands for a dynamic presentation. If you're a fan of space exploration history or looking for a large, striking display piece, this is the one for you. What people say. It is realistic, beautiful, and a pleasure to build. It's also larger and more imposing than I anticipated, reflecting the grandeur of the original Saturn V. The model also includes a good-looking LEM and 2 set pieces so that you can mount and display the LEM with the astronaut figurines on lunar soil, US flag included, and the CM after its ocean landing. Amazing how stable and solid the finished set is, well thought out construction. Love that the build was broken up into the actual stages of the rocket and that the stages are easily separated once completed. Number 4. Bandai Hobby Machinedramon, Amplified, Model Kit. Get ready to assemble the mighty Machinedramon. This incredible model kit brings the iconic Digimon to life. Building this figure is a breeze. Thanks to its snap-together design, no glue is needed for a secure build. Experience the impressive detail right out of the box. The parts come in colored plastic, so no painting is required to make it stand out. Part of the popular Figurize standard line, this kit offers a fantastic display piece for any Digimon fan. Add this powerful cyborg dragon to your collection. It's the perfect addition for fans looking to recreate epic battles. What we like. This kit offers a quick and satisfying build experience. With snap-together parts and pre-colored plastic, you can assemble it without glue or paint. If you're new to model kits or want a fast, fun build of a popular Digimon, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The articulation is surprisingly good for a model kit of this size, allowing for dynamic posing. Panel lining is a breeze with the prescribed lines, really making the details pop. The color separation is excellent, minimizing the need for paint on key areas. Number 3. Bandai Hobby Mega Size Unicorn Gundam, Destroy Mode. Get ready to experience the iconic Unicorn Gundam in an impressive mega size model. This version captures the destroy mode in stunning detail. Standing over 17 inches tall, this model offers a commanding presence. It's designed to be taller and more affordable than other high-grade options. This incredible build is inspired by the upcoming 1/1 scale statue in Japan. It brings a piece of that monumental vision right to your collection. It comes fully equipped with a beam magnum, a shield, and 2 beam sabers. You'll have everything you need for dynamic posing and display. With 24 runners and included stickers, assembly is straightforward. Prepare for an epic result that showcases its powerful destroy mode. This product proudly bears the official Bluefin logo, ensuring its authenticity and quality. It's a must-have for any serious collector. What we like. This colossal model stands over 17 inches tall, replicating a famous statue. It's designed to be a more accessible and less expensive large-scale option. If you desire a massive, imposing Gundam model for display without the complexity of higher grades, this is perfect. What people say. Lots of different colored plastics, including colored transparent sections, really make the Gundam look great. A little touch-up with a Gundam detail marker is all you need to create a finished look. This kit is huge when completed compared to other Gunpla. I highly recommend panel lining this kit, it really brings out the detail in the white pieces. Also take the time to put on the water slide decals, they look great. The red parts all over the body glow when exposed to UV light, and if you have a green Bandai LED unit there is a slot in the back of the head to put it in, and the eyes and the lens on top of the head will light up. By far he is the best 1/48 scale, a masterpiece for any collector of Gunpla. Number 2. Bandai Hobby Strike Freedom Gundam PG. Experience the thrill of building without the mess. This model requires no glue, making assembly a breeze. Simply use a hobby nipper to detach the parts. Bring your creation to life with stunning, pre-colored plastic. Achieve a fantastic look with minimal to no painting needed. It's designed to impress right out of the box. Ensure you're getting the real deal. Look for the official Bandai Namco warning label on the box. This guarantees you're purchasing a genuine, licensed product. Dive into the world of high-quality model kits. This piece offers an engaging and rewarding building experience for enthusiasts of all levels. Build your very own Strike Freedom Gundam from the popular Gundam Seed Destiny series. This perfect grade model kit is a must-have for any fan. What we like. Experience the pinnacle of detail with this perfect grade model. It requires no glue and features colored plastic for a stunning finish right out of the box. If you're a seasoned modeler seeking intricate detail and a rewarding build of a fan-favorite Gundam, this kit is for you. What people say. You get some great articulation out of the kit, and though with a bit of effort, you can get it in almost any pose you want. This thing looks great out of the box and looks even better once you apply the decals. The build itself was enjoyable with the exception of the Dragoons. The wings themselves weren't as bad as I thought they would be, and I had fun building them. Number 1. Kotobukiya Frame Arms Girl, Architect Stylet. Kotobukiya's popular Frame Arms Girl series is growing. Meet the exciting new Frame Arms Girl Architect. With over 200 pieces, this model kit is a joy to assemble and a fantastic display piece once completed. Its multiple points of articulation allow for a vast array of dynamic poses. You might want a display stand for some of the more adventurous stances. This model comes equipped with various weapons and interchangeable face parts to personalize your display. All of its parts are fully compatible with other Frame Arms Girl plastic model kits, opening up endless customization possibilities. Make it your own. Combine it with other Frame Arms Girl armor, weapons, and model kits to create a truly unique collection. What we like. This model offers incredible posing possibilities and extensive customization. Its parts are compatible with other kits in the series, allowing for unique creations. If you love dynamic posing, creative customization, and building figures that can be uniquely yours, this is the ideal kit. What people say. Highly detailed model kit, easy to understand instructions and very posable. Look great as is or ready for customizing. Great with 1/12 scale items. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.